Hello everyone, this is Zoe at WeShipFloors.com, bringing to you an introductory video to our BSPC 101 Wild Acacia. It is Acacia natural look, some really beautiful, elegant graining on this one. There's some detail up close. And you can order samples of this product so you can check it out. Again, by going directly to our website, WeShipFloors.com. Put in the BSPC 101 model number, and that will get you right to it. This is a small section of this floor laid out in our showroom. And give you a real good idea of the overall character. This is a whole box of the product wrapped out. Again, since acacia wood is our #1 selling wood floor, we decided to replicate this into a waterproof floor. Great for kids and pets, basements, pretty much anywhere. Also got a UV cure acrylic finish. So it's great for those sunrooms and those high heat areas in your home or your vacation home. So again, come give us a visit, WeShipFloors.com, and check out this new wild acacia. Thank you.